Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Canva Print for selling custom products, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email, Google, or Facebook account. Log in to your Canva account if you already have one. Once logged in, find the search bar at the top of the homepage. Type print in the search bar and hit enter. Look for the Canva Print option in the search results. Click on the Canva Print link to access the print design section. Browse through the various product categories available for customization. Select the product you want to create, such as a business card or t-shirt. Use the design tools to personalize your product with text, images, and graphics. Make sure to use high-resolution images for the best print quality. Once your design is complete, click on the download button located in the top right corner. Choose your desired file format from the drop-down menu, such as PDF print for high-quality printing. After selecting the file format, click on the download button again. Wait for the download to finish and locate the file in your downloads folder. Now, prepare to upload your design for printing or for selling by accessing the Canva Print service. Follow the prompts to upload your file, ensuring all specifications are met. Fill in the required details for the product, including pricing and descriptions. Review all information carefully before finalizing your submission. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to complete the process. Your custom product is now ready to be printed and sold through Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.